So after you turn it on, you start from your neck all the way up, and in the upward motion, not downward, but upward motion, continue doing this to lift everything up. And it has a vibration that causes everything to, if you have any skincare, to penetrate deeper into your skin. And also even by itself, it causes your skin to bring a lot more blood flow to it and make it look healthier and nicer and fresher. And if you like it, please let me know. I want to hear about your feedbacks. If you like the results, please let me know. And if you don't, let me know also. But I think so far, everyone who has used it has told me that they've been very happy with it. And I want to hear your opinion also. Thank you so much. It is fantastic to use by itself or by using after you use the ampoules on your skin. It boosts the effectiveness of the ampoules you use by pushing the products into the skin and helping them get penetrated a lot faster and a lot better.